Here we go, folks. Ranch hand, John Deere 50. He's pulling. Here he comes, cracked head and all, folks.
Greg Sheelan up right now with the John Deere.
He's giving her hell. She may let loose at any time. Oh, she's just smoking. Oh yeah, baby, she's smoking. She might let loose. Doing good. Oh yeah. Oh, come on, baby, let loose. Oh, she smells. I can smell that clutch. Smells like it. Oh, come on, she's prairie dogging it. Oh yeah, keep her going.
Heading right down, giving her what she's got.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's fucking moving her, baby. Moving her.
Not giving up at all.
No. Nope. Keep her going, folks.
Yes, sir.
Oh. No, but he did pretty fucking good, though. Did real good. It just started spinning. He grabbed the clutch right away. That's all you're seeing right there, folks. First time tractor pulling with the John Deere 50. Just inherited out of the ranch.
4 inches for that hole. 255 feet.
255. Tear it up. All right, folks. That motherfucker's gonna catch fire today, I hope. Might catch on fire, folks. And we got the special use antique tractor fires last ditch effort extinguisher, folks. Motherfucker was hot earlier. Alternator was fucking smoking on us, so we might have to do the last ditch effort on this thing. So we'll find out here real soon. But that motherfucker was smoke was pulling all that.
Out of what?
Out of the fucking generator. She's fucking red hot.
Was it really?
Oh yeah. Yeah, so if it catches fire, folks, we do got the extinguisher, like I said. Antique tractor use only. Got some junk tractors out here. Ain't fucking bad, folks. Oh yeah. It's alright. Yeah, don't touch it. It'll be fine. I like tractor fires. Yeah, we gotta run it. Just run it. It'll be fine. There we go, folks. It's one of the ranch hands in the Oliver 880. She's pulling her on. Pulling her on. Oh no, it's on it. It's fucking pulling. Pulling her. Oh yeah, run like a rate gate. Yeah, she's pulling good. Pulling. Something's gotta let loose. Oh! Something's going on. Something ain't right, is it?
Oh, boys, we'll see when he pulls in.
Yeah. Oh! Get your ass cheeks! Get your ass cheeks off the side! Oh, he shuts her down. Shit. He should have moved his ass cheeks. He fucking left his whole ass on the seat.
I didn't go that way.
God damn.
Did I make it that far?
Ah, you should have fucking got his ass cheek off the side of that seat. The fucking, it was just one tire fire.
How about this? If you don't bring home a trophy today, you get no, the deal was, if you lose in the 5,500 pound class, you buy 2 cases of Bud Light.
Well, that's fucking cheap junk beer there.
I don't have to buy Bud Light.
Hey, that's all they spend all the grain on anyways, cheap beer.
Yeah, I think I only got second.
Holy shit, here he is. He's pulling, folks. He's pulling.
First mover in the 5,500.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it. Before we have fire extinguishers. She's pulling good, folks. He's got her lugged down. Keep her together, or it might let loose. One of the two, folks. We'll see what happens. He's pulling her. Oh, she's lifting. Oh, it sounds really good. Oh, keep her going. He wiled her down. Oh, and he's about out of traction. Oh, keep her going. That's all right. Ah, shit, they red flagged him. Shut him down. Here we go, John Deere 50, ranch hand, pulling again. She may catch fire, folks.
Craig Sheelan's going to be up next with the 55 John Deere 50. Coming right up
She's
next.
a smoking already. Hey, that bird got locked up in that.
Again, folks, go get yourself a pork chop.
He's on it.
Get yourself a hot dog, a drink right over there at the IGA.
He's on it, folks. See if we catch fire tonight. We're hoping. We gotta see something exciting happen today. Oh yeah, she's struggling. Keep her going. Keep her going. He's got his eye on the prize, folks. That alternator that's getting ready to let loose. Oh yeah, she's doing good. Doing good. Give her hell. There you go. Give her hell. Oh yeah. She's just screaming. She's running extra lean today, folks. 93 degrees out, humidity level. Keep her going. That's fine, that's good. And that's it, folks. That's all you seen it. That's all you see. That's all you see. Huh? No. Nope. Something else is there. That clutch is strong. Yeah.
A distance of 186 feet, .2.
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't hear him. 2 something.
What was the last one? Distance?
186 feet, 0.25 inches for that pole.
186, folks. 186. We got these guys here that run levers on an old drain truck, makeshift fucking puller out here. Let's see if she's smoking. She smoking? She's good. She's good.
She's smoking again now. I started smelling it.
Oh yeah, folks. We got her a little high here. Oh yeah, she's smoking. I think it's just getting excited, man. She's running good. She's a little hot.
What's causing that?
I'm sure the bearings are smoked, and that's what it is. There's a front rear bearing. I'm sure that's shot. The old,
Well, they haven't probably been oiled in years.
oh no, yeah, that's why they don't. That's why they put sealed shit in now, folks. Other than that, it was a fucking pretty good run. You might get a trophy out of her tail. We'll just have to see.
That sucks.
That thing in there is roached. Yeah, your points though. And that's sorry, it's roach, folks. Back to drawing boards on. Here we go, folks. Last ranch hand.
Merle, I want my phone sideways.
He's pulling. Yeah, put it sideways, folks. Yep, sideways here, folks.
Don't forget to
Here we
get
go.
yourself a sandwich
It's a
or
red IH, folks. He's gonna be pulling this motherfucker down through this track. She's running real fucking lean, folks. Running on nav gas.
Pretty darn good.
Here we go. He's nervous. Last time he pulled tractors, folks, he pulled the rear end right out from underneath it. Ain't no joke. Here he comes.
No, he's pulled the 400.
Oh yeah. Oh, he's giving her hell there, folks. It's red. Oh, he's hunkering down, folks. Oh yeah, she's clean running. He's looking for that ranch trophy, folks. Oh yeah, she's starting to smoke a little bit, but that's all right.
Oh yeah.
Oh, keep her going. Keep her going, folks. Something's gonna let loose. Oh, she's going now. It's lugging. It's a Farm All In multi-purpose unit.
You're getting up to where you were.
Oh, he's got her. He's nut hugging it. Nut hugging the seat, folks.
That's real close. That's real close.
He spun out. It let loose.
That's real
That'll do
close.
it right there.
What did I pull? Gary, what did I pull? 238.
Yep. Right? I pulled
Trying to get a radio here.
238. What? So
213 feet, .21 inches for that pole.
What'd you pull?
213, folks.